We are with Iran. How can Israel just go and bomb Iran and expect Iran not to defend itself? We are with the children of Palestine because we were there before. We know how it feels to be oppressed and to be dispossessed of your land. We were dispossessed of our land, and that's why we are on the side of the dispossessed, and that is the children of Palestine. We must never allow the USA to dictate to us. We want to build a strong army, not only of South Africa, of the whole of African continent, so that we can confront America or China or Russia as equal, because the unity of Africa is a threat to Europe. That's why Africa must unite. That's why Africa must have one president, must have one parliament, must have one army, must have one currency, and that currency must be stronger than the dollar, euro, or pounds. The song Kill the Boer is not created by Julius Malema. That is a song of the struggle. That is the song that was sung by our fathers and mothers during difficult days of apartheid, and no one will stop us from singing that song. It is our heritage, and we will defend it with everything we have.